Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Yes, today we are going to discuss about code conversion. First we see binary to gray code converter. The most significant bit of the gray code will be exactly equal to the first bit of the given binary number. Now the second bit of the code will be exclusive OR of the first and the second bit of the given binary number. That is, if both the bit are same, the result will be 0. If they are different, the result will be 1. The third bit of the gray code will be equal to the exclusive OR of the second and third bit of the binary number. Thus, the binary to gray code conversion goes on. This can be explained using the truth table. For example, here the example, the most significant bit of the gray code is exactly equal to the first bit of the binary code. And the second bit of the gray code is derived using XOR table, that is 1 0 means different output in XOR gives 1. Here the third bit is derived using 0 1 gives different output gives 1. Here fourth gray code is derived using 1 1 in XOR. The same in XOR gives 0. By this way, we are converting the binary to gray code. Objectives: to design and implement 4-bit binary to gray code converter. Input and output variable. Input variable B3, B2, B1, B0. Output variable G3, G2, G1, G0. Block diagram is there. Boolean expression of G0, G1, G2, G3 is derived using K-map. Circuit diagram. Using the circuit diagram, we can see demo later. The components required and ICs are 2 input XOR gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now let's see the demo. Now let's start designing the circuit for binary to gray code converter. 4 inputs, four outputs, three XOR gates, now the first input is connected to the first input is connected to the first output. Now the first input is given to XOR. Now the X circuit is connected to the light. Now the circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value. For example, if 0 1 0 0 is the input, 0 1 1 is the output. If all the inputs are 1, then G3 is the only output is 1. By this way, we giving the value and get the output. Now let's see gray to binary code converter. The most significant bit of the binary number will be equal to the most significant of the given gray code. Now the second gray bit is 0. The second binary bit will be same as the previous or the first bit. If the gray bit is 1, the second binary bit will alter. If it was 1, it will be 0. If it was 0, it will be 1. The step is continued for all the bit to do gray code to binary conversion. This can be explained using the truth table. Now let's see truth table. For example, here the most significant bit of the gray code is same as the most significant bit of the binary code. If the second binary code is derived using, if 0 is there, put the previous number 1. Otherwise, here 1 is there, put the 0 is here. By this way, we are converting the gray code to binary code. Objectives: to design and implement 4-bit gray to binary code converter. The input and output variables. Input variables G3, G2, G1, G0. Output variable B3, B2, B1, B0. Block diagram is there. Boolean expression B3, B2, B1, B0 is derived using the K-map. Circuit diagram for gray to binary code conversion is here. Using this circuit diagram, we can see demo. Component required and IC, 2 input XOR gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now start designing circuit as same as binary to gray code converter. Here also 4 input. And 3 XOR gates. Four light bulb. Which represent the output. Now start connecting. The circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value if 100 is the input, 4 output are at 1. If 1100 is the input, 1000 is the output. By this way, we are giving the input and derive the output. Thank you guys.